How to get constant contact discount coupon code here on your browser. For this, you need to search the same and click on the first website that will appear in front of you called wired.com. In the wired.com website on homepage, there is a lot of or promo codes mentioned on the right, like from 9.99 a dollar, from 199 a dollar a month, and you can save service fee or you can save any of the charges here. You can copy the code. Now the next website is in front of you. That is a leading website, VP Beginner. In this website, also for contact coupon, you will find a lot of promo code, discount coupon code. You can copy it. The third website in front of you for you that is presented, couponfollow.com. You can visit numerous websites just like this. I'm visiting one right now. You can visit numerous website and find different type of coupons for you. That will be a huge wide range of coupons. In this website on home page, there is a coupon available for 5% off. Click it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.